being a peaceful democratic exercise became a theater of manipulation, intimidation, vote buying, violence, and deliberate obstruction of the people's choice. From our record, Senator Ned Nwoko won overwhelmingly with 123,000 votes, while Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa secured only 5,000 votes. We make these statements confidently because we have evidence from the field. There are 98 wards, and we have video evidence, agent reports, and ward-level records showing what truly happened across the entire senatorial district. The tragedy is what the manipulation did not begin on election day. It started earlier when Senator Ned Nwoko was denied access to the electoral panel members who were kept in government VIP houses. That was where the rigging began. The panel members were appointed and controlled by the powerful state interest, while the returning officers were reportedly commissioned, advisors, assistants, or personnel connected to the state government. Many of these so-called officials did not even come to the venue of the primaries. They did not expect our people to show up in such massive numbers. But when the delegates came out peacefully to vote, those who could not defeat the people's will resorted to violence, destruction, and the scattering of delegates. There was no proper accreditation, there was no transparent voting, there was no honest counting, there was no genuine collation. In many places, what they call an election was nothing more than a political fraud dressed in party colors. Results were written the night before, long before the people arrived to exercise their democratic rights. We also received reports of vote buying, intimidation of party members, threat of suspension, and open inducement of delegates. Money was shared to voters and party officials, while the genuine voice of the people was being suppressed. The results now being circulated by the state government and its compromised agents is therefore unacceptable, morally defective, and democratically worthless. No manufacturer's result can stand against video evidence, agents' reports, ward records, and the living testimony of the people. Democracy is not the private property of any governor. It is not the inherent of political godfathers. It is not a weapon to be used against the people. Senator Ned Nwoko remains the clear choice of the people. The truth cannot be buried by forged figures. The people's mandate cannot be stolen by intimidation, violence, or state-suppressed manipulation. We therefore reject this charade in its entirety. We demand a full review of the process, the cancellation of all manipulated results, and accountability for everyone involved in this shameful assault on democracy. Anyoma deserves democracy, not deception. Anyoma deserves justice, not intimidation. Anyoma deserves truth, not political robbery. History will remember those who stood with the people when democracy was under attack. Thank you all. Chris Okoba.
Thank you very much.